Hey all, this is Cam Dean, and you are watching CBAI. Today I'm going to show you a very, very basic tutorial on how to make music with Suno. I do want to let you know that if you are on the free plan, you can create songs with it, but you cannot monetize them. If you are on the Pro or Premier plans, you can create the songs and then you own the intellectual property right and you can monetize them as you wish. Pro plan is $10 USD a month. Premier plan is $30 USD a month. They have both have all the features, but the Pro plan lets you create up to 2,000 songs a month, and the Premier plan is letting you create up to 500 as of November 2024. I recommend getting. For me, I've been using the Pro plan, and it's great. I haven't hit my maximum yet, so for me, that's been working out. So when you create your Suno account, you're probably going to land on this home page here. Where you're going to go is to create, and then this will be empty. Oops, there. Delete. There. So this will be what you will see. If you've been modifying in other screens, it might show up a little bit differently. But what we're going to do is make sure the custom button is unchecked and instrumental is unchecked. It should just say song description. And what you're going to do in here is put the description of a song that you want in the genre. So right now it says and grayed out an electric pop song about dancing all night long. I'm going to type in a reggae song about eating pancakes. I love pancakes and they're so delicious. And reggae is a relaxing genre usually. So we're going to hit create. What it is doing right now is creating me a full song with lyrics, verse, chorus, sometimes a bridge thrown in there, and it is creating the music. It's just getting the word reggae, right? I didn't give it any other descriptors like the subgenre or the vibes or anything. So it's just giving it's casting a wide net when you do it that way. But right now you'll see that it's generating two songs, kind of like A/B testing if you're familiar with that. The red dot means that you haven't listened to the song yet. The name of the song, it already gave it a title, Pancake Paradise, and the genre, reggae, smooth, laid back. Over here, while we're letting those load, I'll quickly describe these. There's a thumbs up and thumbs down button. I do believe that if you do that, it influences the AI in terms of when you're creating, that it tells it some information so it's more intelligent on what you want to hear and what songs are hitting the mark for you. The same thing if you thumbs it down, hopefully it's kind of giving it the AI feedback not to do what it did before. There's a share button so you can copy the link, and then if you click public, it will make it public so you can other people on Suno can go and find it, and if they search and they're looking for your song on your profile or wherever. If you leave it off public, then it's just showing up in your own profile, but not when others are getting online and searching for it. So we'll wait for that to load. Okay, my songs have loaded. So you can see right here the picture. It also generates an AI generated picture. I'm going to click play and show you what the first one sounds like with the lyrics.
Wake up to the morning light, flip the bed, feeling right. Golden
And then
circles in my sight, heaven on my
reggae
plate
style.
tonight. Buttermilk sweet and slow, syrup river in full flow. Stack them high, let 'em glow. Pancake love we sure we know. Pancake
Okay, so
paradise
that's
is
the first
true.
one. Let's listen to the second one.
Wake up to the morning light, flip the batter, feeling
So
right.
this doesn't sound like
Golden
reggae. I was going
circles
to
in
say
my
that
sight,
this feature is
heaven
very
on my
basic.
plate
So
tonight.
sometimes you don't get the
Buttermilk,
genre that
sweet
you
and
wanted.
slow, syrup
Like in
river
most of
in
the
full
YouTube videos,
flow.
you got to get
Stack 'em
most of the
high,
style
let 'em
before.
glow. Pancake love, we surely know. Pancake
It's sort of like
paradise
pop,
is
obviously.
true. Every bite just feels so new. Taste the love in every chew.
Okay, so from there, also you should know that if you just go and click create again, it's going to give you a brand new song with brand new lyrics. So this is not how to reuse the prompt. If you wanted to go in, you could go over here. If you wanted to try again with the same lyrics, go into the dot 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 over here by the song that you want to do it for. Mm. Go up to create, go to reuse prompt. It is going to give you some more information. Don't worry about that. Just go in and create again. And what it did while we let that load, I'll show you quickly, is it just brought in all those lyrics that we just got. It also brought in the genre that was listed up here, and it gave you the same title. So what it is doing is it's just re-sending it into the AI to pop you out two new ones. So that should be the same lyrics. Let's check here. As we say, wake up to the morning light, flip the batter, feeling right. We'll go in and check here. Wake up to the morning light, flip the batter, feeling right. So this song is going to be the same lyrics, but it regenerated it, so it's going to give you new music for it. It's just going to try to keep it close to the same prompt that you gave for the genre. And so, like I said, trying to keep this as short and basic as possible. This was a quick tutorial on how to get in there and create a song really quick with Suno without putting a lot of time into it. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Especially with comments, I love to get feedback. Let me know what you liked. If you didn't like something, let me know what you didn't like and what you'd like to see differently. Let me know what you'd like to see in the future, and I hope to see you again. Thanks again. Have a good one. Take care.